from a whole nother planet. Ice on my neck dancing, ice on my neck prince.
Yes, I know I've been gone for a minute. Y'all know how life goes. But yes, I am back. I am better. And I got a bun for y'all. Giving you very much model vibes. Okay, I'm done. I like to do my buns on stretched hair, so I put my hair into a stoush overnight and I just let them dry. I feel like it's better on stretched hair because it's easier to brush up and have everything nice and sleek. And also, I recently just cut my hair. I'm really loving it, you know, I'm not tripping about it. So yeah, right now I'm just brushing it out, trying to get some volume. Okay, right here, as y'all can see, I'm taking some hairs out in the front. Yes, those are about to be my edges, adult hairs, whatever y'all want to call it, but either way it goes, it's going to be cute. So yeah, now I'm just spraying it with water, and then I'm going to put some Wetline Extreme Gel around it. The trick to achieving a really slick bun is to comb and brush your hair like over and over again. It's a very tedious process, but I promise you it's gonna have your hair super straight or super wavy. It just depends on your texture. Also, do not neglect the back of y'all heads. I know y'all can't see it, but I promise you other people can see it. So yeah. Then I just added 3 rubber bands. Yes, I use rubber bands, but look, I put oil on them so they're nice and slippery. Okay, boom, let's get into the edges or whatever y'all want to call it. I don't have time, but yes, I use Certified Beauty pomade and I just start swooping it, and for that little tail or hair right there, I just use a little bit of gel to slick it into my ponytail. I ain't gonna lie, at this point I wanted to give up, but it's okay because I made a comeback and we did it over again. Right now, I'm just trying to make my edges as even as I can. So yeah. Okay, let's get into the bun now. So for this bun, I wanted it to be really tall and skinny at the bottom. So this is pretty much how I achieved that. And okay, boom, I am finished. You see how cute it is, just tweaking it up, and just look at it. You cannot tell me this bun is not cute. Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. Percocets, Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.